In the vast expanse of the universe, where galaxies weave the cosmic dance, two titans of the cosmos began their inevitable journey toward one another. The Andromeda galaxy, a majestic spiral adorned with billions of stars, planets, and nebulae, moved steadily closer to the Milky Way, our home galaxy. The collision, billions of years in the making, was not a sudden event but a slow, gravitational ballet spanning eons. From our vantage point on Earth, astronomers watched and predicted the cataclysmic encounter, a celestial event that would redefine the very fabric of our local universe. The first hints of the impending collision were subtle. Andromeda's light, shifting ever so slightly towards the blue spectrum, betrayed its approach. As the galaxies drew nearer, their gravitational forces began to interact. This unseen tug-of-war caused subtle distortions in the spiral arms of both galaxies. Stars, once in harmonious orbits, found themselves nudged by an invisible hand. Meanwhile, the supermassive black holes at the cores of both galaxies began exerting their influence, their immense gravitational pull setting the stage for an epic encounter. Yet, for all the upheaval, life in the Milky Way continued as usual, blissfully unaware of the cosmic drama unfolding on a scale almost too grand to comprehend. As the two galaxies closed the vast distances that once separated them, their outer halos of gas and dust began to merge. Streams of material were flung across intergalactic space, creating vast bridges of glowing hydrogen and other elements. The stars themselves, vast as they were, rarely collided directly due to the immense spaces between them. Instead, their gravitational interaction sent them careening into new orbits, creating spectacular patterns of light and motion. From a distance, the two galaxies began to resemble a pair of dancers, their arms entwining as they spiraled together. The night sky on planets within both galaxies transformed dramatically, with unfamiliar constellations and breathtaking views of Andromeda's spiral arms dominating the heavens. The collision itself was less a singular event and more a prolonged sequence of encounters. The first close pass saw tidal forces ripping vast swaths of material from both galaxies. Enormous streams of stars and gas formed tidal tails stretching across millions of light years. These interactions triggered a surge in star formation, as clouds of gas compressed under the gravitational chaos. Massive blue giants lit up the cosmos, their brief lives burning brightly before ending in spectacular supernovae. For civilizations that might have existed in either galaxy, the skies would have been a constant source of wonder and terror, as new stars flared into existence and others vanished into black holes or were flung into the void. Over the course of billions of years, the two galaxies continued to merge. Their cores spiraled closer, the black holes at their hearts locked in a gravitational embrace. As they orbited one another, they emitted powerful gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time that echoed across the universe. Eventually, the black holes collided, merging into a single, even more massive entity. The energy released in this event was enough to outshine entire galaxies for a brief moment, a cosmic beacon marking the culmination of their union. By this time, the chaotic interactions had settled, and the remnants of the two galaxies formed a new elliptical galaxy, its shape a testament to the violent yet beautiful process of galactic evolution. In the aftermath, the universe continued its relentless expansion, carrying the new galaxy, a hybrid of Andromeda and the Milky Way, ever outward. The once distinct spirals were now a memory, their stars bound together in a harmonious whole. For any life that endured, or arose anew in the aftermath, the skies were a different but no less magnificent sight. This cosmic collision, while violent and transformative, was also a necessary part of the universe's grand design, a reminder of the ever-changing nature of existence on a scale far beyond human comprehension. The story of Andromeda and the Milky Way's collision became just one chapter in the endless saga of the cosmos, a tale of destruction and creation, chaos and order, etched in the starlit tapestry of the universe.